Tom Wolf today confirmed the first two presumed positive cases of coronavirus in Pennsylvania.
He says the state is prepared to take action to reduce the chances that the virus will spread. According to the governor's office, one person presumed to have coronavirus is an adult from Wayne County. That individual recently traveled to a country where COVID-19 is present and is now in isolation in their home. No details were released on the other patient.
Now, many in our area are concerned about what to do if the coronavirus makes its way to central PA. Today, our reporters are out gathering information on how the virus is impacting our region. We've got our Evan Hinckley covering how emergency responders and local hospitals are preparing for the virus. First, though, our Colleen Knutson talked with an area nursing home about what they're doing to deal with this potential danger. Colleen, tell us more about what they have in place to keep residents safe. We apologize. We're going to tell you a little bit more about Colleen's side of this story here. Now, the population most at risk, as we've heard, of contracting the virus is the elderly, many who have been weakened and have weakened immune systems. That can certainly lead to serious infections. Now, Garvey Manor in Hollidaysburg, a new health notice put up around the facility. The staff isn't changing procedures after the governor's announcement today of those cases of coronavirus. Infection control is part of the culture at the nursing home. Because of flu seasons, employees and visitors were told to stay home if they showed any symptoms like fever or cough and practice healthy hand washing habits.
You need to make sure you're covering all surfaces of the hands, under the nails, in between your fingers, and up to your wrists to ensure that you're making sure you kill as much virus or bacteria as possible.
And we want to tell you about those masks that you see health professionals wear. That's to prevent spreading of anything to their patients if they're under the weather. Now, it will not protect you from the virus if you wear a mask. The best way to prevent getting sick is to wash your hands and not touch your face. Our Evan Hinckley spoke with a local hospital and EMS crews about how they're preparing for the virus.
He joins us live now. Evan, what are some of the steps they're taking?
Well, John, Amanda, one key step is to make sure that if they see patients, that is EMS crews, see patients with symptoms of the virus, that they have the proper protection in place to ensure that the disease doesn't spread.
If it sounds like someone that has an infectious disease, we're already thinking maybe before we even enter the house, we're already taking steps as far as, gloves, gowns, protective face masks, and that's to protect the patient and or to protect us.
Bellefonte EMS Director Scott Rote says another big emphasis they have is cleaning their equipment, both before and after calls, given the virus's contagious nature.
We fully expect that, yes, it will happen here at some point in time, whether it be this week or next month or in 6 months. And we don't wait until the first case is confirmed. We do good practices every day prior to that confirmation, because if you wait until it's actually confirmed and known to be present in the community, then you're behind the game.
Since the state reports coronaviruses near Philly and Scranton, large and small town hospitals are getting ready.
We have to be prepared to accept a patient from anywhere.
But right now at Tyrone Hospital, space is limited.
If we had a large influx of patients, we might not be able to handle that large volume.
The hospital has 6 rooms where patients could be quarantined, which they hope never need to be filled. Still, they're prepared for a virus that the state says isn't going away.
We expect more cases to be confirmed in the upcoming days and weeks.
And now all county commissioners have the power to declare their own state of emergency that allows them to use both state and county dollars to help combat the disease. Reporting live here in Center County, Evan Hinckley, WTAJ News.